What's up, YouTube? This is Topaz Towing. You know, you probably catch him in some of the lives that we have. It's Killer B. He picked up this 2001 Honda Accord. I think he paid the customer $200 for it.
Oh yeah.
$200. 200. And of course, you see right here, you know, how much profit?
120.
No, how much? Hey man, it's all good shit. You getting paid. But you can see right here, the damn cat is out the market, as you can tell. So you know, when you get something like that, man, you just want to pay about $200 for it. You know, make a profit of about 150, 65. He didn't really want to say. He wanted to be modest. But hey, he'll make money on that bad boy. And
that's what we call got it and gone.
Got it and gone. You see it. Got it and gone.
Got it and gone.
Yeah, got it and gone. I be trying to tell these people, man, it's too much money out here buying these damn cars.
Gotta go get it.
Gotta go get it, man. And of course, this is that vehicle I just picked up, that Mazda 3, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get over the scale right now. So y'all give me a minute and hop in my truck and give you guys some footage when I get across the scale and get this bad boy unloaded. Sorry about the mask, but you know, when you're out here trying to get these cars every day, man, it be like that. Uh-oh, let me put my mask back on. I'm over here at the scale. So, you know. 1 second, y'all. I always want to be safe out here when you're on these scales, man. Because you don't know, you know, what's going on out here with COVID and all that good stuff. Definitely got to be safe. Don't want to take nothing back home to your family, you know.